Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change the language in Grok. The first way is by typing your command or question directly in your own language. For example, if your language is Spanish, you can type your question in Spanish. Grok is able to understand many languages, so when you write in Spanish, Grok will respond in Spanish. This method is quick and does not require changing any settings. It is useful if you only want the responses in another language for a single conversation or task. The second way is by changing the language from the settings. To do this, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with different options. From there, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you will see an option to change the language. Click on that option and choose the language you want to switch to. Once you select a new language, the entire layout of Grok will change to that language. This includes menus, settings, and other features. This is very helpful if your primary language is not English, because it makes the platform easier to understand and use. After changing the language, you can continue using Grok normally in your preferred language. Thanks for watching.